Are you struggling over what to get your mom for Mother's Day? Well, fear not. I understand the pressure of finding meaningful gifts and ways to celebrate Mother's Day. I know firsthand how stressful it can be. There's the constant question of where to go, what to do, who should you invite, and on top of that all, the added pressure of finding the perfect gift. I've discovered some surprising things that moms truly want on their special day. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the 11 Mother's Day gifts that are guaranteed to be a hit. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Carrie. If you're new here, I'm so excited that you're here. And hopefully I can help with your Mother's Day dilemma. Mothers are undoubtedly the most special people in our lives, and they deserve nothing but the best. It's important to give them what they truly desire, rather than simply settling for whatever we can find last minute at the store. With this in mind, I've taken on the task of answering the question, what do moms actually want for Mother's Day? And I'm excited to share with you the top 11 things that mothers crave most on their special day. Number 1, time alone. For mothers with young children, this was by far the most requested Mother's Day gift. Moms crave a moment of peace and quiet without any interruptions. This could be achieved by dad taking the kids out for a fun day, maybe at the park or zoo, or even a night alone in a nice hotel, complete with room service, a bubble bath, and she can enjoy a night of uninterrupted sleep. Number 2, time with her kids. Somewhat ironically, on the other hand, mothers of older children often want nothing more than to spend quality time with their kids. This could be anything from going on a hike or playing board game together, to enjoying a brunch date, or simply just sitting outside and enjoying each other's company. The key is to focus on creating a memorable experience spent together. Number 3, handwritten note or card. Take the time to write a heartfelt letter or card, expressing your gratitude for all the memories and positive moments she has brought into your life. Reminisce about cherished memories from your childhood and share with mom just how much of an impact she has made on your life. Don't forget to remind her of just how great of a mom she truly is. This small gesture can go a long way in making her feel appreciated and loved. Number 4, dining out. If dining out is something that's typically reserved for special occasions, there's no better time to indulge than on Mother's Day. Take her to a nice restaurant where she can enjoy a delicious meal without having to lift a finger in the kitchen. This will not only give her a break from cooking, but also create a special memory that she can cherish for years to come. Number 5, a home-cooked meal. If dining out is a regular occurrence in your household, take Mother's Day as the opportunity to create a special memory by cooking a meal at home. Put the effort in to find a recipe that takes some time and effort to make. She'll appreciate the thought and care that you put into it. Show her how much she means to you by taking the time to prepare a delicious meal that she can enjoy from the comfort of her own home. And don't forget to clean up afterwards. Nothing compares to a home-cooked meal made with love. Number 6, a clean house. Whether the whole family pitches in to clean or you hire a professional cleaning service, a clean house is always appreciated. Teenagers, you can surprise your mom by taking the initiative to clean your room and even putting a bow on your bedroom door. It's a small gesture that can make a big impact, showing how much you care. Just be sure to have the paramedics on standby in case mom is surprised that she goes into shock, because there's nothing quite like the gift of a clean and tidy home on Mother's Day. Number 7, a relaxing spa treatment. Treat your mom to a spa treatment, whether it's a full day experience or just an individual service, such as a massage, facial, or pedicure. This is the perfect opportunity for her to unwind, de-stress, and rejuvenate her mind and body. Show her how much you appreciate all that she does by giving her the gift of self-care and relaxation. Every mother deserves to be pampered and relaxed on her special day. Number 8, peace and quiet. A day of peace and quiet is a truly cherished gift for moms who often have to play the role of referee. Ideally, this would involve the kids agreeing to a day-long ceasefire. However, if that's not possible because kids will be kids, Dad, you should step in as the referee or negotiator. This will allow Mom to have some much-needed alone time to recharge and relax. Show her how much you care by giving her the gift of peace and quiet on Mother's Day. Number 9, getting to sleep in or take a nap. Getting a good night's sleep or taking a nap during the day is a valuable gift for your mom. Give your mom the gift of sleep by letting her sleep in or providing her with some alone time during the day to take a nap. This will allow her to catch up on some of the much needed rest and recharge her batteries. If you really want to make her day, give her the gift of both and let her sleep in and take a nap. Show her how much you appreciate all that she does by giving her the gift of relaxation and rest on Mother's Day. Number 10, a clean car. Clean your mom's car as a gift on Mother's Day. Whether you choose to wash her car at home, on the driveway, or take it to professional car wash, make sure to clean both the inside and outside. A clean car will make her feel special and appreciated. Show her how much you care by taking care of this chore for her on her special day. Number 11, a promise. Promise your mom something positive for yourself on Mother's Day. Assure your mom that you're committed to doing something that will make a positive impact on your life. This could be anything from quitting a bad habit like smoking to making a positive change like going back to school. Let your mom know that her love and support is important to you and that you want to make her proud. This promise will show her how much you care about her and value her guidance. I hope that this list of 11 surprising things moms truly want for Mother's Day has given you some inspiration for how to show your appreciation for the amazing women in your life, your mom. From the simple gift of a handwritten note to the luxurious indulgence of spa treatment, there are plenty of ways to make this day special for the moms in your life. So go ahead and show them how much you care. They definitely deserve it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you really enjoyed the content, you can just hit that little subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. That way you get updated when my new videos come out each and every week. Hope you have a great week and best of luck as you prepare to make this the best Mother's Day ever.